morning. Regarding this video is AI officers and future of autonomous systems. Introduction will be autonomous systems ranging from self-driving cars and delivery drones to industrial robots and AI-powered decision-making platforms. And there are no longer science fiction. They are steadily moving from research labs into our streets, workplaces, and even our homes. This shift promises efficiency, safety, and innovation, but it is also introduces complex governance, ethical, and legal challenges. At the center of this transition and AI officers, professionals responsible for ensuring that autonomous systems are developed, deployed, and maintained in a way that is safe, ethical, transparent, and compliant with applicable regulations. The role of AI officer is not only merely to ensure compliance but to guide organizations through uncharted territory, balancing the responsibilities of autonomous technologies with the risks they introduce to privacy, safety, and society at large. Understanding the autonomous systems will be uh, technologies capable of performing tasks without continuous human intervention, often by using AI algorithms to process real-time data, learn from patterns, and adapt to changing conditions. The examples may be transportations like self-driving cars, autonomous shipping vessels, and logistics may be delivery drones, automated warehouse. Healthcare system will be AI-assisted surgical robots, patient and monitoring systems, and in the defense system, unmanned aerial vehicles and autonomous battle systems. These systems rely on machine perception, decision-making algorithms, and actuation mechanism to interact with the world, making that governance a unique challenge. The expanding role of an AI officer's role extends far beyond the responsibilities in a traditional AI governance. Their role duties include regulatory compliance oversight and ethical risk management, safety and reliability assurance, stakeholder communication. Regarding this regulatory compliance oversight, autonomous systems may be subject to a patchwork of safety, privacy, and liability laws depending on jurisdiction. AI officers must ensure compliance with the traffic safety laws for autonomous vehicles, aviation authority regulations for drones, data privacy requirements for systems processing personal information, and in ethical risk management, AI officers act as custodians of ethical design, making sure autonomous systems respect human rights, avoid algorithmic bias, remain transparent, and explainable in decision making. In case of safety and reliability assurance, given that autonomous systems operate in dynamic real world environments, AI officers must oversee risk assessment and hazard analysis, fail safe and fallback mechanism, post deployment monitoring for unexpected behaviors. The stakeholder communication would be they must explain technical capabilities and risks regulators and policymakers, the public and the customers. Internal executive engineers. Key challenges for the AI officers in autonomous systems would be legal ambiguity, data governance in real-time environments, algorithmic transparency, cyber security risk, public trust. In the case of legal ambiguity, many jurisdictions have yet to create specific regulations for fully autonomous systems, leading to uncertainty about liability in case of accidents or system failures. That in case of data governance in real-time environments, autonomous systems often require real-time data collection, including potential sensitive personal data from sensors, cameras, and GPS systems. This raises privacy concerns, cross-border data transfer challenges, difficulties in anonymization without degrading performance. Algorithmic transparency would be complex neural network-based systems can make decisions in ways that are difficult to interpret. AI officers must promote explainable AI techniques so that the decision process can be audited and understood. Cyber risks, in case of security risks, as connected devices, autonomous systems are vulnerable to cyber attacks that could lead to dangerous physical consequences. In the case of public trust, negative incidents, even rare ones, can erode public trust and slow adoption. AI officers play a key role in transparent incident reporting and proactive safety communication. The ISO 42001 connection would be the standard for artificial intelligence management systems provides a governance framework that AI officers can adapt for autonomous systems. Key elements include context of the organization, risk-based thinking, continuous improvement. In the case of context of the organization, understanding the operational environment of the autonomous systems. In case of risk-based thinking, prioritizing high impact safety and privacy risk. In case of continuous improvement, internally, iteratively enhancing system performance and compliance. Future skills for AI officers would require a multidisciplinary knowledge: AI, robotics, ethics, law, and safety engineering. And scenario planning would be to anticipate unforeseen risks. And in case of incident investigations, skills for post-event analysis is required. Policy advocacy abilities to help shape future laws on autonomy. Case study would be yeah, after overseeing a fleet of delivery drones must ensure compliance with the aviation regulations and altitude and flight paths, secure encrypted communications between drones and control centers, emergency landing protocols in case of mechanical failures, privacy safeguards for cameras capturing residential areas. This requires coordination across engineering, legal, and operational teams, demonstrating how complex the role becomes in autonomous operation. The road ahead will be the next decade will likely see widespread commercial deployment of self-driving taxis, AI-managed industrial facilities with minimal human overrides, semi-autonomous military defense systems. AI access will be the forefront of balancing innovation with societal values, ensuring these technologies benefit humanity without compromising safety or rights. During this concept, the conclusion would be the future of autonomous systems hold immense potential but also immense responsibility. AI officers will serve as the ethical and regulatory compass, guiding organizations through the technological, legal, and moral complexities of autonomy. This work will be critical in shaping public trust, protecting individuals' right, and ensuring that the rise of autonomous systems is matched by a rise in accountability and governance. By embracing standards like ISO 42001, engaging in proactive risk management, and forecasting open dialogue with stakeholders, AI officers can help ensure that autonomy in machines does not mean the absence of responsibility in humans. The AI will be the future of world, and it will take forward the human life in a very simplest way, and we have to follow the risks associated with, and we should be very compliant regarding this, yeah, artificial intelligence. Thank you. I am Murali Krishna. Have completed this CIO. Thank you. Thanks a lot.